Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer marketing campaign data into HubSpot from Airtable, full guide step by step clearly. Start by opening your Airtable account in your web browser. Navigate to the base that contains the marketing campaign data you want to transfer. Identify the specific table with the relevant data. Click on the table to view its contents. Locate the fields that you will need to map to HubSpot. Ensure all your data is properly formatted for a smooth transfer. If necessary, clean up any discrepancies or inconsistencies in the data. Next, open a new tab and log into your HubSpot account. Once logged in, navigate to your dashboard. Find the Import option within the Contacts, Companies, or Deals section. Click on Import to start the data transfer process. Choose the option to import a file. In Airtable, click on the Download option to export your data. Select the CSV format for the export. Once the CSV file is downloaded, go back to HubSpot. Upload the CSV file you just downloaded from Airtable. Map the Airtable fields to the corresponding HubSpot properties. Pay careful attention to ensure that each field aligns correctly. Continue through the import process, following HubSpot's prompts. Review the summary of the data you're about to import. Confirm the import to initiate the data transfer. Once the import is complete, check the campaign data in HubSpot for accuracy. Verify that all fields have been populated as expected. If needed, make additional adjustments to ensure everything is accurate. And there you have it, a full guide on transferring marketing campaign data from Airtable to HubSpot. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.